Chittaranjan Das, a prominent Indian freedom fighter, lawyer, and politician, died on June 16, 1925 due to high fever. Also known as Deshbandhu, meaning friend of the country. He was a leading figure in the Indian National Congress and one of the founders of the Swaraj Party. Das made significant contributions to the Indian freedom struggle and was consistently against the British government. He played an important role in the non-cooperation movement led by Gandhi. Das, along with his wife and son, was arrested for participating in several movements, resulting in the entire family spending 6 months in jail. When Gandhi withdrew the non-cooperation movement after the Chauri Chaura incident, Das openly opposed it and in January 1923 founded the Swaraj Party with Motilal Nehru. Upon his death due to deteriorating health, Gandhi led his funeral procession in Kolkata with participation from hundreds of people. Nalinikant Bagchi, a significant revolutionary in the Indian freedom movement, died on June 16, 1918. Bagchi was an active participant in numerous movements as a member of the Indian National Congress. He joined the revolutionary group Yugantar at a very young age, which operated out of West Bengal and engaged in activities against the British. Many revolutionaries in this group were either hanged by the British or sentenced to Kalapani. Due to his involvement with Yugantar, Bagchi was pursued by the police and had to constantly change his location. However, he was eventually injured in a police encounter and subsequently arrested. Nalinikant Bagchi was martyred while in police custody.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On June 16, 1963, Valentina Tereshkova of the Soviet Union became the first woman to go to space. She flew in the Vostok 6 spacecraft and orbited the Earth 48 times over the course of approximately 3 days. During this mission, Tereshkova set 2 significant records. She became the only woman to travel alone in space, and her 71-hour stay set the record for the longest duration in space at that time. Tereshkova returned to Earth on June 19, parachuting from a height of 20,000 feet. At just 26 years old, she made history with a successful mission and was honored with the Order of Lenin and the Hero of Soviet Union award. After her space mission, Tereshkova married fellow cosmonaut Andrian Nikolaev on November 3, 1963. Nikolaev had traveled to space in 1962. Their daughter Elena holds the distinction of being the first child born to parents who have both been to space. IBM, originally known as the International Business Machine Company, was founded on June 16, 1911 through the merger of 3 small companies: the Tabulating Machine Company, the International Time Recording Company, and the Computing Scale Company of America. Initially named Computing Tabulating Recording Company, it rebranded to IBM in 1924. During the 20th century, IBM manufactured and sold office machines, including a punch card machine that was instrumental in issuing Social Security cards in America. In 1933, IBM launched the electric typewriter, which became widely popular and significantly boosted the company's revenue to $100 million within a decade. For the next 30 years, IBM produced about 70% of the world's computer products. IBM expanded its operations to India in 1951. However, the company faced losses in the 1980s due to increased competition. By 2020, IBM experienced declining revenues in all its products except for cloud services. On June 16, 2010, Bhutan banned the cultivation, use beyond certain limits and buying and selling of tobacco. This law, implemented nationwide after being passed by the Parliament, made such activities a non-bailable offence with violators potentially facing jail time. Bhutan became the first country in the world to ban tobacco products. In collaboration with the WHO, Bhutan launched a campaign in 1980 to highlight the dangers of tobacco. In 1991, the country banned tobacco consumptions and use in public places and prohibited related advertisements. In 2003, Bhutan banned the sale of tobacco products in 18 to 20 districts. These decisions were part of the National Tobacco Control Program initiated by Bhutan's Health Ministry. By 2004, Bhutan had banned tobacco products nationwide, and in 2010, the country extended this ban to include the purchase and sale of tobacco. Ford Motor Company was founded by Henry Ford on June 16, 1903. As an American automobile manufacturer, it is renowned globally for its vehicles and automotive services. Ford has made significant contributions to the automobile industry, most notably with the introduction of the Model T in 1908. In 1913, the company revolutionized car manufacturing by introducing the world's first moving assembly line. Ford quickly established itself as a market leader. During World War II, Ford manufactured the Jeep for the US Army, further solidifying its position in the industry. Over more than a century, Ford has produced over 350 million vehicles, from the iconic Model T to the latest models. Today, Ford's lineup includes popular models such as the Ford Mustang, Ford F-150, Ford Explorer, and Ford Focus. The company is headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, USA.